It's obviously a very great victory for the Justice Department. And I want to underscore that the law that the Proud Boys were convicted of trying to prevent being enforced was the 12th Amendment in the Electoral Count Act that provides for how we tabulate state-certified electoral votes for the president. And it wasn't just the law preventing spitting on the street. It's very, very serious. It's the centerpiece of the United States Republic, how we transfer presidential power peacefully.
But I really want to understand why these 4 men were charged with seditious conspiracy and ultimately convicted instead of treason, and what the difference is, Bruce.
Yeah, well, it's very simple. Treason is the only crime that's actually defined in the Constitution. And treason consists of levying war against the United States, levying war or giving aid in enemies, and we weren't at war with any country at the time. So it doesn't fit the standard, the definition of treason. Seditious conspiracy is an attempt to block and frustrate the government from faithfully executing the laws. It's a lower standard, and that's why that was the charge rather than treason.
So what is the next step for these 4? Will they appeal, and when do you expect sentencing to happen?
I don't know whether they will appeal. The likelihood of success on appeal is close to 0. I think that typically you have a recommendation that comes from a probation officer, from a federal person who's been convicted. That's probably going to take several months before there's actual sentencing here. I do think this is kind of the top scale of the gravity of the crime. I believe that the defendants convicted, we can think of sentences in the range of 10 to 15 years in prison. They're convicted of more than one offense, so they may stack them and even be a little bit longer. But I think that's what we can anticipate.
And when can we anticipate sentencing?
Sentencing, I would wager probably 3 or 4 months away.
All right. Bruce Fein, thank you very much.